video capacity, camera.
Sometimes we do some explanation for the students in like hybrid. Some of the lectures in the room and maybe another lecture in outside over the
We also try this.
Yes, by Zoom. Yes. Somehow our lecture trying to make some material like videos like this. This is for the lecture to make some
Videos.
yes, videos. And sometimes used by students too because sometimes they have like assignment from the students like yes.
We also sometimes invite speakers from outside, from any kind of issues related to international affairs. So we invite them and make podcasts. So not just for the internal
Yes, okay. Also for that.
Yes. You can make some video here. You can go inside like
So audio system.
Broadcast room. I mean, if we want to make video material, teaching material, video teaching material, or maybe we have
Yes, that's right. Because I was offered yesterday. He said yesterday, you may have dinner in the hotel every day, but if you would like to see different places, he also does pictures.
Yes.
they can do anything here. Sometimes just to take a rest, sometimes to maybe to take some assignment from the student from the lecturer. Sometimes just maybe take a chit-chat with another students here and of course with the lecturer.
This is where you lecture.
Yeah.
Where do you normally lecture? You guys? Yeah, man. It was wonderfully welcome.
Before, so this is
Yes, we visited classrooms. So you lecture there? Yes. Classroom. Yeah. That's wonderful.
student lounge. That's interesting because in my time there was no student lounge.
And this is our this is our lecturer room. So it's really near.
Okay,
So sometimes they jump in close, sometimes they jump in. So yeah. So there's
Like in other departments, they separate the teachers into several rooms, one or two person one room. Here we work
they share, do they share this?
No, that's my desk. Everyone has their own
if we want to have kind of discussion, like maybe instead of the other room, yes.
Mission of
Yes.
was outside there
Yes.
too.
And another teaching room can be used as a meeting room as well. Sometimes we use this for international meetings. And sometimes we do meetings.
Yeah, I see. We have a similar system in Germany for some study programs. Yeah. Are there some which are like competitions with other universities? Is this one of them? No. Like an internal simulation. Yeah, I see. But you don't have any like with other universities combined. For example, the university, for example, meet, and then like some students from your university, some students from your university, and then you do like simulations together. Yeah.
But also we have the baking here.
Yeah.
The competition.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
We have some issues international
Yeah,
like
okay.
We also have
domination
Okay.
and like transitional crime.
And cultural performance.
Sorry?
Arts and cultural performance.
Yeah.
They make their performance in Toraja. Do you know Toraja? About
Tanah Toraja.
8 hours from here. Tanah Toraja.
As today,
Okay.
No, this island in Sulawesi. This island has
But-
student mobility.
like 6 hours.
So there is
6 or 7 hours.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So those are your students who perform this.
That's
wonderful.
They organize themselves.
Yeah.
We just give them facilitation.
Yeah.
Minister of Education and then 6 of them from.
Yeah, I heard that a lot of students from this program plan to have a lot of extracurriculars, so that is probably one of them, right?
They must learn like debate,
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
express themselves by art.
Yeah, but that is wonderful. In Germany and Austria, it's only that a few students have extracurriculars. Most of them they study and work and don't do like any social activities, any like cultural activities. So I like that. That's wonderful.
When you were born.
2012 until 2018.
Okay.
Five.
Okay, so your job must be excellent.
No, I'm using it to buy a donor. A
What?
donor.
Okay, okay.
So, yeah, I can understand. I read my
Study program.
Southeast Asian Studies. Southeast Asian Studies.
Okay, okay.
Yeah, under Professor Christoph Anuela.
I'm not familiar with that field of study,
Yeah.
so
Southeast Asian Studies. Christoph Anuela.
I may ask one of my colleagues.
Yeah, yeah.
I think she studied similar.
Oh, yeah?
All the same as you. So, and you had a bachelor degree then?
No, a PhD.
Ah, yes, okay, I was not sure.
Nice meeting you.
Almost 5 years.
It's so amazing that so many Indonesian lecturers, professors have been studying or even graduating in Germany.
For social science, I mean, philosophy is important. And Germany is one of our perspectives here. Just look at
I also know that politicians study here. So in Germany, especially engineers.
after the plastics, electricity comes early, take some rest.
Can you check whether everything was right that he was saying?
Just try to give a comfortable situation for the students in the lecture. Because you know that students they will like the class, like to take other students at the lecture. We have to know that it's not only needed by the students, but the lecturer needs too. After each some classes, we have to try to like make again our energy full to get another
Very good.
right?
If you have the space.
And we take to our the leader of our department because he know what actually we need and it's he trying to fulfill what actually the students and the lecture.
Let's go. I really think we have
You need like another group for like a lab.
This is our but you have
We have 2 classes that simulate on the United Nations. One is International Organization, and the other one is Diplomacy and Negotiation.
But how is decided which of the students go abroad?
We have a selection
Okay.
internally from the department first,
Yeah.
and then we send them to the university level selection.
Okay.
And then finally, if they got accepted and then they go
Yeah.
to Harvard.
But it's solely based on grades, right?
Sorry?
It's solely based on grades.
Yeah,
Like
it's a very competitive one.
Yeah.
Very competitive one.
It's so much preparation, I think.
Because they get a grant from the university.
Yeah.
For going.
Yes.
For this picture, this is like
But we can
Google
enjoy with the...
Yes, maybe like
Thank you very much.
memories from Google, because I saw that maybe.
Mana saham?
Actually, is it like that you arrested people for 15 minutes to really get Very nice of you, thank you very much. What I said yesterday is Visitasi.
Atlantis punya macam
Kagus! Come in.
where are you been?
Yes, sir. Tremendous amount of food and delicious food.
This is one actually the habitual, the citizen in our country. It seems like cultural in our country. If we have some
My PhD student. What happened?
We wish one day we can visit Africa.
I wish so, yeah.
Africa. Natural
No, but it's difficult.
No, actually,
It's difficult to organize.
actually, but if you visit, you will. I promise you, will like it.
you can try to finish your language. It's okay.
Yeah, actually, I want to, but no.
He laughs here. He laughs here.
Actually, I love it here. But there is an opportunity for me to continue my education.
What about your bahasa?
Exactly.
He tried.
50-50, I tried, but
Because he have no obligation to study what the
That's what I'm going to. That's normal. Yeah. It's important for the culture.
and there is a lot of international students who knows how to speak. German. Actually, what Darius told me about the German people. Yeah. Nice to have you. Very so nice to have you.
I'm very impressed about the department, about the university.
It's our
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
See you. See you later.